Let's start coloring by learning the names of colors. Red color, purple color, green color, orange color, parrot color, pink color, brown color, and the last one is yellow color. Now let's color the crocodiles. Let's zoom in on the screen to color the crocodile. And now zoom out. How many crocodiles can you see here? Here are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 crocodiles.